This is the tutorial on how to print monthly HD flowchart. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. First, click on Patient's profile. At the submenu on the left, click Dialysis Chart. Choose Monthly HD Flowchart. Here, we can select the month that we prefer. The monthly HD flowchart for the selected month will be shown here. Click on the Print button. This is the print preview for the monthly HD flowchart. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you might want to watch.